Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2005 Toyota Camry in a light blue exterior. A couple of little scratches here. A little bit of faded paint there and on the roof line. But it runs great. This thing is a V6. It has just over 180,000 miles on it. And it's got a pretty straight body. Tires are good, brakes are good, fluids are all good. 183,494 on the odometer. Ice cold AC. Stereo works, just needs to be tuned. Let's go over there. Automatic, nice clean interior. Give us a call at 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244 at Buy Your Ride.